It's Monday, January something. I just got off work, so I have to get some Valentine's Day gifts for my sister and my brother. I came to Five Below. I do know what I'm getting because I came last Friday with my friend and my sister, and I saw some cute stuff that day that I knew I was gonna come back to get. Is not the best angle, but I just got the stuff. There is a second part to the Valentine's Day gifts. I want to make something for my sister. I have kind of like a rough idea, but yeah, that's stuff I have to get at Michael's. Gonna wait till the end of my shift on Friday to buy that stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna go home now. Okay, I'm sitting on the ground and filming this really quick because nobody's home. An axolotl for my brother because he loves them. And I got a dumpling plushie because my sister loves dumplings. And lastly, I got her security breach. Five Nights at Freddy's mystery box. We adore Five Nights at Freddy's in this house. I got shrimp chips. This is one of the best things that I've ever tasted. I'm debating whether I want to keep them or just give them to her. I think I'm just gonna give them to her and then I'll steal some when she gets home. There are a few things at Five Below that I wanted to get for myself, kind of just like make myself a Valentine's Day gift. So they have a lot of Stitch stuff. Like every time I go, they have new things and I'm obsessed with Stitch. But I don't know, I'm spending a lot. But let's see what I film the rest of this week. I don't know if this is gonna be a weekly vlog or a month vlog. I do have some plans this Saturday. I'll take you with me then, but I do gotta go. This is what my hair looks like and it's drying. It's Thursday the 8th. I am so tired. I've been pulling a lot of hours at work. Tomorrow I have off, but I have so many errands to run that it's like, ugh, am I actually off? No. Gotta wake up super early to go to the gym, then do my errands. In case anyone is interested, I made a burger out of the last of my bagel with my favorite drink. It's the only bread I had. I have to do some grocery shopping tomorrow. I guess a haul is coming your way. show you guys what I got. I got teriyaki chicken bao to try. I've never had these before, so these sounded right up my alley. I freaking love everything in here. And I got sticky white rice. Love it so much. And we also bought mom a birthday cake because it's her birthday today. But this is what my side of the fridge looks like. Tortillas in here, and then I have some blueberry bagels. I guess I'll show you what's in my freezer too. We're protein people, so this brand, best thing ever. Got some chicken fries, meatballs, burger patties, protein waffles, of course Uncrustables. I share the other side of my fridge with my brother. Groceries are very gym bro. I forgot to buy more of my onion bagels, so I'm really sad about that, and my car broke down again, so I can't finish my grocery shopping today. We'll see if I can do it tomorrow, if I can even go to work tomorrow. Yeah, but I'm very excited for that sticky rice. I love sticky rice. I haven't eaten since this morning before the gym, so I need to get on that. Is my lunch and myself a matcha chai latte. It's kind of questionable, but strawberry syrup helps out a lot. I'm gonna finish watching Shell Khare being on a ship. I don't know why this video is giving me so much serotonin. Just watching them navigate a ship. Loving this video. This is the first video I've watched of hers because she was a guest on Press Escape podcast, which I have been loving since it came out. Race podcast was my introduction to her, and she seems like a cool chick. I got my protein milk and I got my bagels. I just bit into one of the buns. It is phenomenal. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. So I showed you guys my groceries, but there are two things that I got that I'm running out of very soon. Got my CeraVe moisturizing cream and SPF. But for dinner, the bun kind of filled me up quite a bit, but I'm about to watch some brain rot. I wanted to just munch on something, and I did have a lot of calories left for the day, so I'm just having, it's not appealing, but I'm having some refried beans with some of the chips. That's my night before I have to go to work tomorrow. So it's Saturday morning. I just ate breakfast. My brother and I are about to go to the gym in about an hour. Plan for today is to finally finish editing my 2024 highlights, and later on today I am going to hang out with my siblings and my friend, and we're gonna go get some boba. It's gonna be my first time trying their boba, so I'm really excited, and then we'll see what else we do.
Something about you feels so different. Yeah, you mess me up inside. It's like your energy was kissing my soul back to life, was living. Now it feels like every part of me is dying. Yeah, you're gone without a trace. You left me where no one can find me. There's no sign of life out here. I scream and it goes silent. I fight so hard, but I can't find my way out. Lost all dimension and time. All alone, can you what's in my mind? And this goes down. And it goes down. And it goes down. find me. There's no sign of life out here. I scream and it goes silent. I fight so hard, but I can't find my way out. Lost all dimension and time. I don't think I'm losing my mind. And this goes down.
So I just got home from running around with my siblings and my friend, and it was so fun. I really needed this. Squishmallows haven't really been coming out with anything that I want. Scored such a nice haul at Walgreens. My favorite Squishmallows are owls and Bigfoots. I'm so glad I found Frumpy. 8-inch never fails. It has better hair. And I got baby Junie. Junie with the heart headband. She can join her little family. I really wanted to get that big Junie that I saw, but I didn't know how much it was. And last but not least, I really want the black and white version of Clown. This one, I'm not very much of a pink person, but I just love it. It's so cute. This thing won't stay down. Is this supposed to be up? I don't think so. So stay down, please. Those are the 3 new squishies that I got today. I only went in for cough drops. It's a nice way to end the night.
I'm losing my mind, and this goes down.
So, I'm sick. Good news is that I finished editing the thumbnail and the description for 2024 highlight video. I'm excited to have that completed, so now I can focus on editing this video. Get so much serotonin just looking over at them. I love anything circusy themed, so I'm really loving this guy. Except these things are always coming up. I'm so mad. I should have seen if the other ones are better behaved. That's it for me today. See you guys tomorrow. Okay, I forgot to give you guys my song recommendation for the day. Here it is. It's Guilt by Omnimar. My camera doesn't like to focus on my phone, but yeah, her music is so cool. I am obsessed with her, so this won't be the last time I recommend her. Really love the mix of her voice with the male voice that she has in that song. It does something to my brain that I cannot explain. But anyway, that is it. I forgot to film a proper outro for this vlog, but thank you guys so much for watching, and stay tuned for the next one because it's coming really soon.